In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sound effects on ElevenLabs. We'll go from a blank browser to a polished cinematic sound in just a few minutes, and I'll share simple tips so you get the results you want on the first try. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs. Then look for the official ElevenLabs site in the results. Click through to open the platform. Once you're in, find and select Sound Effects. This is the dedicated tool for generating effects from text, so you don't need any audio software or instruments, just a clear description. You'll see a prompt box. Think of this as your creative brief. Be specific about what should happen at the beginning, the impact or peak, and how you want it to fade. For example, you can paste a prompt like this. Create a powerful cinematic sound effect starting with a sharp whoosh that cuts through the air, followed by a deep, resonant impact boom. Add subtle rumbling underneath, a fading echo, and a smooth atmospheric tail that slowly drifts away. No voices, only clean, high-quality sound design. Describing layers, intensity, and mood helps the model understand exactly what you want. When your prompt is ready, click Submit. The system will process your request for a moment. Avoid clicking repeatedly while it generates. If a setting for length or style appears, leaving defaults is fine for a first pass. You can always refine later. When the audio is ready, hit play to listen. Focus on the transitions. Does the whoosh lead naturally into the boom? Is the rumble subtle rather than muddy? And does the tail feel smooth and controlled? If it's close but not perfect, tweak the language. Words like tight, clean, airy, heavy, short, or long can push the output in the right direction. You can ask for less echo, a gentler tail, or a stronger low-end rumble. Keep revisions small so you can hear how each change affects the result. That's all there is to it. Google ElevenLabs, open sound effects, write a clear prompt, submit, and listen. With a few iterations, you'll craft effects that sit beautifully under visuals, trailers, or transitions. Keep your prompts concise, avoid mentioning voices if you don't want them, and describe the arc from start to finish. If you're working with multiple scenes, save each prompt variation in a note so you can reproduce consistent tones across your project. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating.